We are at 7348 Westminster Drive. This is in Navarre off of Highway 87. We're entering through the front door here. We have a nice large living room and dining area. You can see directly to the back is our back door access. We have nice vaulted ceilings here. And there's our front door and dining area. Master bedroom is separate from the guest bedrooms. So we're gonna head over through the breakfast nook and kitchen. So here's that kitchen here. You can see our large pantry and our garage door access. So we're back at this dining area. You can see our front door. Turning back around. Directly off the kitchen is our master suite. Here's that large bedroom. We do have a nice walk-in closet. So this is facing the back of the house. Now if we head into the ensuite here, we do have a double sink vanity and a nice shower tub combo. We do also have a storage closet behind our door. Heading back out now. We'll go to the other side of the home. So we're gonna go through the breakfast nook and through our living area. We'll come to a short hallway. So we'll go left to the front of the house. This is the first guest bedroom. Nice large window and a nice sized closet. Coming back out. In the middle is our hall bath. Again, nice size. And behind our main door, we do have a closet. Heading to the back bedroom now. This is facing the back side of the home. Another good sized bedroom. And you can see our closet there. Heading back out, we'll show you the garage and the backyard. So we'll head to this back door here. Backyard is not fenced in, but you do have some nice greenery to look at. We are on a cul-de-sac, so there's very little traffic. We have a nice patio. So here's the back of the home. Heading back inside, we'll take you to the garage. We do have a 2-car garage here, and that's also where our washer and dryer hookups are. So we'll go through the kitchen, past our pantry, and here is our garage. And our washer dryer hookups with some shelves for some storage space. Heading back inside the home now. Again, this is 7348 Westminster Drive, offered by Barron's Property Managers. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. You can view it on our website at barronspm.com. You can also call us at 850-934-2588.